Good morning, students. Welcome to New Era Global School online teaching class. So, this is your Devi ma'am, EVS teacher. Okay. So, let's begin our today's class with a prayer. Okay. Each and everyone stand up, join your hands, and close your eyes. Okay. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Okay, now slowly open your eyes. Okay, so last week we have completed our chapter and today we will discuss our textual exercise. Okay, so today's date 21/1/2021, 14th lesson resources and conservation textual exercise. Just copy it in your fair notebook, in your textbook. Come to page number 161. Page number 161. Write true for the true statement and F for the false statement. See the first one. Natural resources cannot be made by us. So the statement is said to be the true only. Natural resources are, we can't able to make them. Second, plants purify the air by taking in oxygen. So the plants will take only the carbon dioxide, but the statement is given oxygen. So the second one is said to be false. Okay. Third one, deforestation affects the rainfall at a place. Yes, obviously the answer is said to be true. Fourth one, the tiger is an example of an endangered animal. Yes, the statement is said to be true only. Slowly the tiger number has been reducing. And then come to page number 163. Okay, in page number 163, see the answer. Correct the false statement by changing the underlined word. First one, air is an essential part of the bodies of most organisms. So the option is given air. So it is said to be the wrong and right. The answer water. Okay. And then second one, we use the minerals to make the bricks and tiles. So we use only the soil. So strike the word minerals and then write the option soil. Okay. Third one, coal and minerals are the fossil fuels. So minerals is said to be the wrong. Coal and petroleum. Okay, coal and petroleum are said to be the fossil fuels. Fourth one, reusing is the process of using the waste materials to make something new. So it is not a reusing. So strike the word reusing and then write the word recycling. Okay, just mark this answer. First one water, second one soil, third one petroleum, and fourth one is said to be the recycling. Okay, everyone completed. Then everyone come to page number. Okay, each and everyone come to page number 165. In the see the objective type questions, choose the correct answer. First one, which of these is not a natural resource? Soil, air and water. All the three are natural resources. Only the option C, paper, is not a natural resources. Okay. And then second one, animals depend directly or indirectly on this natural resource for their food. So animals will depend upon the plants. So it is option number B, plants, PALANTS. Then third question, which of these is an effect of the deforestation? So which is an effect of the deforestation? It is the soil erosion. Okay, soil erosion. And then fourth one, see the fourth one. Which of these is an extinct animal? It is said to the option B. Okay, B what? It is called mammoth. Okay, mammoth is said to be an extinct species. And then fifth one. This natural resource is an essential part of the fifth one. This natural resource is an essential part of the bodies of the most organism. So which is the bodies of most organism means it is an water. So write the option B. It is said to be water. Sixth one. Fuels that have been formed over thousands of years from the remains of dead plants and animals. So, dead plants and animals means it is called as a fossil fuel. So, write the answer fossil fuels. And then seventh one, the three R's of conservation of recycle, reduce and dash. It is said to be the reuse. So, option number D, reuse. Okay, mark this answer. First one paper, second one plants, third one soil erosion, fourth one mammoth, fifth one water, sixth one fossil fuels, and seventh one it is reuse. Okay, then come to the next one. Match the following. Okay, everyone mark this in your book. I will not send you the PDF. Only for question answers I will send the PDF. Objectives you have to mark in your book. Then match the following. Okay, what is the first one? First one, cotton fabric. So cotton fabric, what is the cotton fabric? Recycled to make the paper. Okay, to make the paper. That is option number 4. And then second one, hide. Hide means used to make the leather. It is one of the animal products used to make leather. Okay. And then third one. What is the third one? Water. The water used to generate the electricity. Option number 6. Used to generate electricity. Okay. Write it fast. Used to make the electricity. Then fourth one, oxygen. Oxygen, what is an oxygen? First one, used by organisms to make the food. And then fifth one, soil. Soil ka answer fifth one. Used to make the building materials. And fuel, it is the second option, used to run the machines. I am repeating again. First ka answer 4. Second ka answer 3. Used to make the leather. Third ka answer, used to generate the electricity. And then fourth one, oxygen ka used by the organism to break down the food. Fifth one, soil used to make the building materials. And then sixth one, fuel used to run the machines. Okay. Now turn the page. After turning the page, okay, give 2 examples for the following. First one, any 2 natural non-living resources. Non-living, air, water and soil. You can write any 2. Okay. Second one, used material from the plants. Okay, from the plants we get the fruits and we will get the oxygen. And then third one, foods we get from the animals. So we get honey, milk and meat. You can write any 2. Fourth one, animals that live in soil. Mole and then rabbit. Mole means it's one type of the mouse. Fifth one, things made with the help of the minerals. So from the minerals we will get the jewelry. Okay, and then we will get the talcum powder. Okay. And then sixth one, fuels, coal and petrol. Okay, coal and petrol are the 2 examples. So copy it fast in your notebook. First one, air, water, soil. Second one, fruits and oxygen. Third one, honey, milk and meat. Fourth one, mole and rabbit. Fifth one, jewelry, talcum powder. Sixth one, coal and petroleum. Okay, copy it fast in your notebook. Okay, next one we are going to see the name the following. So first one, what is the first one? resources that occur naturally and cannot be made by us. So they are called as a natural resources. What are they? They are called as a natural resources. And then second one, the gas that plants release as one of the product of photosynthesis. So the plant will release the oxygen. Okay. Third one, the cutting down of the trees. Cutting down means obviously the answer is said to be deforestation. Cutting down the plants means deforestation. Fourth one, the afforestation that is celebrated in India in July every year. So in July month, we will celebrate Van Mahotsav. Okay. And then fifth one, the natural resources which we use to grow the crops. So it is called as a soil. Sixth one, the natural resources we use to make the jewelry. For making the jewelry, we need the minerals. Write it fast. Have you all completed? Okay. Now come to the short answer type. So this short answer I am discussing. I will send you the PDF. Okay. Don't worry. I will send you the PDF. So first one. What is the first one? Write 2 examples of ways in which the plants are useful. So for why we need the plants? For getting the oxygen. Just I am discussing the answers. I will send you the PDF for writing in your fair notebook. So why we need the plants? We need the plants to get the useful products like medicines, furniture, etc. Then we need the plants for getting an oxygen. The plants will take the carbon dioxide and they will release out the oxygen. Second question. What is afforestation? Which natural resources does it help to conserve? What do you mean by afforestation? Planting more number of trees. It is called as an afforestation. Then afforestation helps to conserve the plants. Third question. When is World Environmental Day celebrated? On June 5. Every year on June 5 we will celebrate the World Environmental Day. And then fourth one. How do animals help maintain the balance in nature? So अगर animals play an important role in food chain. मैंने आपके कल एग्जाम्पल बताया ना, frog is not there, snake will not get the food. So like this they will balance with each other. And then fifth one, what are endangered animals? Give 2 example. Endangered मतलब क्या है? The number of the animals reducing in number. Okay, the number of the animals reducing in number, they are called as an endangered animal. So what are all the example? Example are Bengal tiger and pandas. Okay, these animals number are slowly decreasing. Then why is water an important natural resource? So without water we can't able to survive, right? So each and every living things need the water to survive. How is soil useful as a natural resource? So how is soil useful? So for planting the plants we need the soil. Some of the animals like mole, rabbits and earthworm, they live in the soil, right or not? For building the materials, for building we need a soil. So like this soil play an important role. And then 8th one, what are fossil fuels? Why should we conserve them? So what are fossil fuels? So coal and petroleum, these two are the fossil fuels. For making this we need 1,000 of years. Okay, when the dead plants and animals, they buried on the soil. After 1,000,000 of years, they will be converting into the fossil fuels. Right? So we must conserve this because they cannot be regenerated quickly. Okay, regenerated jaldi nahi hota hai, isliye we have to conserve them. And the next one, give 2 example how things can be reused. Okay, so instead of using the paper towels, we can use the cotton towels. Instead of using the paper disposable plastics, we can use all the metal glass or glass, etc. What is recycling? What do you mean by the term recycling? The process of using the waste materials into something new. So from the waste materials, we can make the things new. Means it is called as a recycling. Then come to the long answers. This is also I am discussing. Afterwards I will send you the PDF. First one, what are the natural resources? Give the few uses of one living and one non-living natural resource. So what are the natural resources? So what are all the resources we will get from the nature? They are called as a natural resources. So living things का example plants and animals, non-living things का example minerals etc. So from that you can write any one thing. So what is the question given? You have to write one use of one living thing and one use of non-living thing. So plants के बारे में आप 2 पॉइंट लिख सकता है और नॉन लिविंग के बारे में 2 पॉइंट्स आप लिख सकता है. ठीक है. And then next one, what is conservation? Describe the two methods each for the conservation of plants and animals. So conservation means what? The protection of our natural resources. Okay, the protection of our natural resources, they are called as an conservation. How will you conserve the plants? By doing the afforestation. Right, we can conserve the plants by doing the afforestation. Afforestation means planting more number of the trees. And then for the animals, we can set up the national parks and then we can set up the sanctuaries, right? So by these ways, we can protect our plants and animals. And then third one, what is deforestation? What are the harmful effects of the deforestation? So what is the deforestation? Cutting down the plants. Okay, continuously cutting down the plants, it is called as a deforestation. If deforestation is taking place, what will happen? It will lead to the soil erosion, rainfall will not become there, and then what will happen? Plants and animals cannot survive there, so the groundwater level will be less. As a result, what happened? We can't able to do anything. Fourth one, explain the 3 R of conservation. 3 R's means what? Reduce, recycle and reuse. So the same thing repeated only. What is the things? We should use only the reduce the natural resources. We should use the paper towel. Instead of using the paper towels, we can use the cotton clothes. Instead of using the plastics, we can use the glass materials. Okay. You can donate your old clothes to your friends. You can donate your books to your friends. Okay, like that you can conserve the things. And then come to the skill builder questions. I am writing the answer for the skill builder on the board. Just write it. Okay, skill builder questions. So write the answer in your book. First one, what is the first one? How will you conserve the plants? Help us to conserve the other natural resources. So conserving the plants, okay, by conserving the plants, we can conserve the soil. By conserving the plants, we can conserve soil. Okay. Then second point, animals depend directly or indirectly on plants. Animals depend directly or indirectly on plants. Okay. Second one. Look at the picture. How the natural resources are made. Can you able to see the diagram here? See the first one. Wheat. From the wheat, we will get the bread. Second, from the water, we can generate the electricity. From the land, we will get the fruits and vegetables. And from the beehive, we will get the honey. Just match the followings. Okay. Third one, can you make any change in everyday activities that could help conserve natural resources. Discuss with your classmates and do 5 things. So 5 things you can do. The same only recycling things. Reuse the paper, then use less electricity, recycle the old newspapers, take a public transport, switch to the reusable items. Okay, so these are all the things you have to do. So today we have completed our textual exercise. Mark the textual exercise in your textbook, and for short answer and long answer I will send you the PDF. Okay, so students, complete your fair notebook. Up to this your textual exercise is completed. Tomorrow we will discuss about the worksheet. So keep ready with the worksheet. Listen carefully students, the worksheet in the Anand stationery you got only the revision sheet. You didn't receive this worksheet. Okay, just sorry for the thing. Just please take a printout of this thing. It is not available in Anand stationery. It will hardly take only 10 rupees. Please make a printout of this one students. Okay, I have sent you that.